I'm from Assam. I've come to Delhi to undergo my cosmetic surgery. I've gone through butt lift, arm lipo, face lipo, buccal fat, calf lipo, hip dip, and my age is 28. 2 years back, I was in Delhi to get my butt lift done. I don't want to mention her name. Before the surgery, she said she'll give me the best shape. She even suggested me for hourglass shape, and I said, okay, fine. There was no result at all. There were no hourglass shape. One day I was going through Instagram. I saw Instagram pages, and then I really liked the result, and I contacted her assistant, Rina, and then I spoke to her, and then she told me that okay, we can talk to Dr. Priya Bansal. I'll connect a call, means book your appointment, and one day she booked an appointment for me. I talked to Dr. Priya, and she was so polite. I really like that. The doctor has to be very polite, first of all. And then she told me the procedure, how it will be done, and what result will I get. And then after that, I was very convinced. And then so I booked my appointment. I booked my surgery after a month, and finally I came to Delhi and went undergo for my surgery. Northbrook Hospital, the nurse, the doctors, all are very polite, very helpful. They care for you. My experience was so good. My recovery days was in hospital. I stayed home for 2 days, but I recovered at home by 2 weeks. 2 weeks is my recovery days, and the pain was, I would say, the first 2 days is like 80%, but after that you're okay. I'm so happy with the result that now I can wear whatever I want to wear, especially short skirts, which I always wanted to wear. First, I'll start with my arm, my lipo, my arm. It's recovering and it's coming up beautifully, and always what I wanted. I wanted thin kind of arm. So what I'm getting it I'm getting it now. And then my hourglass shape. There was a irregularity in my tummy. So now Dr. Priya has shaped that. Shaped that. So it's looking so much better, and I really like the shape. And it's now my shape is hourglass, and I really like it. And my butt, it's more pokey and rounded, and my calf, because when you wear short skirts, when you have a big calf, it looks very bad. And now it's Dr. Priya has slimmed my calves, and now the results day by day is getting better. And I'm sure after a month it will be the best calf I'll have, which I never had in my entire life. First, I like Dr. Priya Bansal and the result she gave. I recommend all the patient like me who wants to have a best figure or best looks, whatever. Please, I recommend you to come to Dr. Priya Bansal at Rosewalk Hospital. She's the best, I would say best in India. So please come to her and nobody else. Believe me, because I've gone through so much. The team of Dr. Priya Bansal is so good. They're so helpful. Whenever you need them, you call them. They're always there. Even I was so shocked. Even Dr. Priya called me at around 9 o'clock. I can't believe that to ask about my health. So I was so touched and so touched with that. And I Hope they do the same thing to all the patients who who will choose me. You have to choose Dr. Priya Bansal because she's the best, and all her team is doing very well. And please keep doing the same.